NodeAlreadySaved error when using djangocms publishing page changes. Encounter an error when using djangocms publishing page changes. When I ran tailf.log, it returned. And when I allowed the settings.py debug = true and clicked the publish page changes button. I've run python manage.pycms fix tree but it did not work. While python manage.pycms check returned 10 check successful. I deployed the djangocms project with
You can also modify the requirements.txt file to reflect a different Django treebeard version that is not 4.5.1. Then you can run.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.